Hello, welcome to back my YouTube channel Future Wheels. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 Dodge Charger. This legend has been reborn with cutting-edge technology, jaw-dropping design, and performance that stays true to its muscle car roots. So, buckle up as we dive into the future of American muscle. Exterior. Dodge has redefined the Charger for 2025, and it's an absolute head-turner. This new generation muscle car comes with a bold front grille, full-width LED lighting, and an aerodynamic yet muscular stance. Depending on the trim, you get either a wide-body kit for that extra road presence or a sleeker, performance-focused look. And yes, the iconic two-door Charger is back. The Charger's sculpted body isn't just for looks, it's engineered for better airflow and cooling. And with available 21-inch lightweight alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, this beast is ready for action. From the classic pitch black to the all-new neon storm, Dodge has ensured that your Charger stands out in every way. Interior. The 2025 Charger isn't just about raw power, it's about luxury and technology combined. Step inside, and you're greeted by premium leather, Alcantara accents, and ambient lighting. Dodge has completely reimagined the dashboard. You now have a massive 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system, paired with a 12-inch fully digital driver's display. And for the first time, the Charger comes with AI-driven performance settings, allowing drivers to customize their driving experience in real time. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates keep the tech fresh. And if you love immersive sound, the Harman Kardon 20-speaker audio system delivers a concert-like experience. The new platform means more space and comfort, heated, ventilated, and massaging front seats make every drive a pleasure, while the rear seats offer improved legroom for passengers. Performance. Alright, now let's talk about what makes the Charger a true muscle car: performance. Dodge is offering multiple powertrains for 2025, including both gas and electric options. Yes, you heard that right, the electric Charger is here. Base model, 3.0L twin-turbo inline-six Hurricane 500 HP. Charger SRT Hellcat, supercharged 6.2L V8 to 800 plus HP. Charger Daytona EV, dual-motor AWD 880 HP with synthetic exhaust sound. The Charger Daytona EV isn't just quick, it's brutally fast, going 0 to 60 mph in just 2.9 seconds. And with the unique Fratzonic Chambered Exhaust System, it produces a growl that mimics a V8. But if you crave the old-school muscle car experience, the supercharged V8 Hellcat is still here, roaring like a beast and ready to dominate the streets. And for the first time, all models, including the EV, come with a multi-mode adaptive suspension system for track, street, and drift modes. So, what does the 2025 Dodge Charger represent? It's a fusion of classic muscle, modern technology, and electrified performance. Whether you want raw V8 power or cutting-edge EV speed, Dodge has built a Charger for every enthusiast. With aggressive styling, a futuristic interior, and power that excites, the Charger proves that American muscle is far from dead. But now, we want to hear from you. Are you excited about the new Charger, or do you miss the old-school version? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Future Wheels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest cars of the future. See you in the next video. Thanks for using my channel Future Wheels. Please like, share and subscribe.